This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Honey Isham. Loon Commons is the right place for people who remember what community used to mean. When neighbors were like family, and life was about camaraderie and unity. We are proud to present this third-story condo for your review. Here are some of the features that make this home a place just for you. Take the elevator to the third floor, go right. Enter through the screened privacy door and be prepared to love what you see: tile in the hallway, bathrooms and kitchen, beautiful high-grade granite countertops. Custom-made window coverings, cathedral ceiling and living room with inset lighting and plant ledge, upgraded lighting fixtures throughout. Open the slider to the lanai and you will find a fully tiled lanai overlooking the courtyard with a lovely fountain. The apartment is protected by electric to the floor hurricane shutters. Each building is equipped with an elevator. Each floor of the building has a trash chute. For your outside pleasures, take a walk to the resort-style heated pool with a jacuzzi. See the fabulous clubhouse with all the amenities it has to offer. So, don't wait. Now is the time. We would love to have you as a neighbor. For more information, review the details below.